Hi everyone, let's learn how to make a cube. So you can take a hard copy. I have taken a A4 page, so you can take just leave some space here now for a fold. Like here now I can take here more than 5 6 7 centimeter 7 cm. Similarly here as well, I just take a 7 cm to make a fold. Okay, taking 7 centimeter. Now I have measured here. I have taken the measurement of 6.5 centimeter. So I got here now 6.5 centimeter upwards as well from here, and again I need to cut upwards here one more times 6.5 centimeter, and from here as also same 6.5 centimeter. Now let's join along the lines. Okay, so make sure that is fixed in the right point, and you can cut like this, so you can join in this way. The next one here fixed in the right point, like this one, just can join it together. Okay, now once again measure it, how much it is. That is 6.5 I have taken, so this must be equal. So as we know that is length and breadth are equal of its square, so we cut here now. This also same, we keep on cutting here. Okay, yes. Okay, let's join now. At the end of first square, this is square, length and breadth are equal. At the end of first square, we just join the long line here now, and also at the end of second square, we join the long line here now, and this is the third line, just join it back, and this is the next square. Okay, we have here now squares, and also we draw this side and that side the squares, so we measure the distance now here, this length and its breadth, that must be equal. So taking equal length, we cut this side here also the same length, and without changing the distance or length, we just cut above this side also and here as well. Okay, so now what we do is join back. Fix the right point here also. Okay, we have here now 6 squares, 1 2 3 4 5 6 squares. That is the faces of the cube. Now what we do is just I have taken the distance of this is 6.5, so I just write down here now 6.5 cm. You can take any measurement. 6.5 centimeter, this is 6.5 centimeter as well, this is 6.5 centimeter. Now what we do is we make a fold, that is just draw here now, take certain distance here now. Okay, you can take your own, like here now. You're going to take too big here now because it's just for a fold. You can take a small, you can draw with the free hand. Okay, similarly here also we need to make a fold, so we just cut it here some space. This is only for the folds. Okay. Yeah. Similarly, we just do one side again here. You will make a fold at the bottom of the fourth square. So okay, now we have drawn the lines, so now we cut it. We take out the model of cube. Let's cut it here now. Just cut the unnecessary parts. Okay, this we don't need. Okay, similarly. This side also. Okay, now let's throw it, this unnecessary part, is unwanted. Okay, let's move this side now again. Now finally we are at the end of the model of cube. Okay, so here you have the unwanted part, so let's cut it here now. Okay, simply this is the model of cube. Now what we do is we need to fold, so what we do now, we just mark here to make easier for fold, like here. You can do by the tips of this compass slowly, or also you can use scissor. Okay. This is only for making it easier to fold it. Okay, in this model of cube, now what we do is we just fold it. There is almost, we are at the end of the cube, so we just fold it now. Let's fold it. You just can fold in or out, that is your choice. Okay, I have here one fold, and let's make a fold over here, like this one. This side also can make a fold. With the right place you have to fold it. Okay, so here also now we need to fold it. Okay, finally we are ready now. Still fold over here also. Yep. Okay, so now only the work remaining, that is to paste. So what we do now is we just put a glue stick. Okay, here now this, it's outside here now, smeared here as well. Okay, here outside here just. Okay, so same. You have to paste out. Okay, this outside. So now just we fold it now here. First fold, paste it now here. The same here also you can paste over here. Okay. Okay, finally we have prepared the model of cube, so in which we have three dimensions, that is its length, breadth and height, which are always equal in a cube, and the volume of cube is L cube because it has length, breadth and height equal, so volume of cube is L cube, and it has 6 faces, like here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 faces, so its total surface area is 6L square. Okay, thank you very much.